Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the TELESIN Hero 9 waterproof housing for your GoPro Hero 9 camera. So let's see what is inside this box and let's see what you're gonna get. Now some people say that they are supposed to get certain items in here and some of the things that is missing, so let's see what exactly we're gonna get. So I'm just going to pull out the box right here, and in here there is a package. Okay, so there's nothing else in here. There's also nothing else in the box. And here we got the case, so the housing. Right here, so you get this thumb screw. You also get this mounting shoe. And there's no filter. There is a button, so this one here, there is a button you can press at the top. Now from the website I see that they say that we're going to get like some kind of like a screen protector for the camera lens, screen protector for that one, and also the screen protector for the back. And seeing any of that in here, it doesn't include it. So when you're buying it, it will not include it. So I'm just trying to see if I can open this one up. I think this is the clip here you have to pull out to open it. So I'm just trying to work it out. There's no instruction on how to open it. Here it is. So we'll open it this way. So we open it from this way up and then lift up and then we can open it out. So let's see how well it will fit inside. So I'm going to put the camera in. So it goes in like that. And then I'm going to close it, close the cover. Now it is quite strong and sturdy. Even the door here are very stable. You can see it's quite stable. There are rubbers around here. It helps to prevent the water from coming in on the inside. There's also two pads over here, like a soft pad. Let's zoom it in so you can see. So the soft pad is right there. Just gonna zoom out. And let's close it. So you can see when I try to close it, I need to press it real hard. And then I'm gonna close the cover. And that's it. So the cover is now closed. And I can now, if I want, I can mount this one onto something else. The button on the side is quite nice. It's quite nice and strong. It is a bit harder to press than the actual buttons on the camera, but I suppose you need it to have a little bit of hardness. There is a spring on the button, so when you press it, it will start to record. If I press it, it will stop. So that is the button up here. So I'm going to test out the sound to see if we can have audio coming out from the case. And if it's actually recording the sound quite good. So I'm going to stop the video. So whilst the camera is inside the case, you cannot use the screen. As you can see right here, we cannot actually use the screen at all. It will not work. And what about the front? So the front is also cover as well. It is cover all around your camera. So I'm just going to take the camera out and see if I can replay it. It's not that difficult to open. Quite easy to open. In fact, it's quite soft. If you're not careful, this one can easily open. So when you are going into the water, you just kind of like need to be careful with the top here because it can come out quite easy. As you can see here, I can just use two fingers and lift up quite easily. So it's not, the door is actually not very strong. So you can easily lift this one up and that will spring out. So that is something you just need to be careful. And now I'm just going to take the camera out and then I'll replay the video. Okay, so screen is unlocked, and then I'm just gonna swipe up and replay the video. Just trying to get the speaker working. So with the audio, it doesn't actually record very loud noise. You can hear what's going on the case, but I cannot hear my sound recording through the audio. You can hear it right here. So it's actually recording a lot of the sound, me like touching the case, but it doesn't actually recording my voice at all. So let's try to record another video. So this is a test. I'm just going to try to record to see if the GoPro going to play loud audio without the case on. So I'm just going to replay that video. Just waiting for the GoPro to unlock itself. So this is a test. I'm just going to try to record to see if the GoPro going to play loud audio without the case on. So I hope you can hear it from the microphone that when I'm trying to record without the case on, it can record my voice loud and clear. But when I have the case on, that audio recording has significantly reduced, and yeah, you will be miss out some audio if you are putting your GoPro on this case. It can record sound that is hitting the case. So here I'm just going to close up. So if I try to record, there's no problem with it recording the audio, but only the audio that is touching the case, or anything that touched the case, it will record the sound. I'm supposed because the microphone has been blocked, that's why it could not record all the sound coming in. So let's try to replay it one more time. So as you can hear, it's have a lot of noise when I'm touching the case, but actually it doesn't record my voice at all. And that's it. That's the case. TELESIN Hero 9 waterproof housing. And if you decide to use this case, you will lose a bit of audio, but you know, at least it gives you some protection when you are under the water. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my